Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we'll be talking about adding and subtracting radicals. So just simplifying and then adding and subtracting. So let's start off with the first example. The rule is basically that anything outside of the radical you can just do normal subtraction for. So 5 minus 2 would be 3, and then anything inside of the radical you can just leave it and simplify if possible. Okay, try the next one on your own, but we'll go through it. So, as always, I recommend doing the strategy of breaking down the numbers. So 75, divide out a 3, you'll get 25, divide out 5 and 5. So 75 is being square rooted, so we look for a group of 2. So we have one group of 5, so the 5 comes outside, and then whatever was left stays inside. So 5 root 3, and then 27 can be broken down to 3 to the 3, and there's one group of 2. So again, one group of the 3's would be able to come outside, while one of them would stay inside. And then we're adding, so we just add the numbers outside the radical and keep the inside the same. Good. All right, give this one a try and let's go through it. So 2 root 25, we know 25 is just square rooted, is just 5. So we have 2 times 5, square root of 98. So for 98, we need to break this down. So I'll just do it over here, 98. Divide out a 2, we'll get 49, 7 and 7. So there's a group of 7. It's square root, so we're looking for a group of 2. So 7 can come outside, 2 stays inside, plus root 81. Root 81 is just 9, and then 72, we'll need to break this down. So when you break down 72 divided by 2 is 36. Divide out 2, you'll get 18. Let me just do this over here. 72, 2, 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3. And again, it's square root. So we're going to look for a group of 2's. So we have one group of 2 and one group of 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. So this would become minus 3 times 6 that we were able to take out. And then anything that we weren't, like the 2, stays on the inside. So now we will have this. So let's just condense this, and I'm just going to get rid of this. So 2 times 5 is 10, plus 7 root 2. This is just negative 18. So, and the 9, we can put that here. Minus 18 root 2. And then last step, we're going to simplify everything. So 10 plus 9 is 19, plus 7 minus 18, which would be negative 11, root 2, and I'll just get rid of this plus. So that would be our final answer for this one. Okay, good. And let's do one more with subtraction and third roots. So for the third root, we just look for groups of 3's when we break this down. So let's say we have 128. Obviously try this before you watch on, but it would be like this. And then third root, so we're looking for groups of 3, and we can only form one group of 3, so that would lead to 64, 32, 18, 2. So that would lead to us getting 2 on the outside, and then 3 times 3 is 9. So 18 minus 16, so 16, 2, 8, 2. Oh, yeah, I see. This is incorrect. So 32 divided by 2 is 16. So then we'll get 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, and 2. Yeah, so just be very careful when you're doing your division. You can use a calculator if you'd like, but I'm doing it in my head. So as a result, you can form another group of 3. So we'll have 2 times 2 on the outside, which is 4, and then just a root 2 on the inside. And then for 16, 16 is basically just this part. So that would be, there's one group of 2 there. So one of the 2's can come to the outside. And then for 54, you would go 54 divided by 2, 27, divide out of 3. And we can form one group of 3 with the 3's. So we'll have minus 3 third root of 2. And then we just simplify. So this is 4 root 3, and then minus, they're all to the third root, minus 2 root 2 minus 3 third root of 2. So it would just be 4 minus 2 minus 3, which will just lead to us getting minus 1 third root 3 to the 2. Alright. Hope that's helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more content on the way.